Hello guys, Currency Games here for another video. Today again we're going to do our Eurusd Eurgbp log and go over what we're expecting in tomorrow's price action. So as you recall, a few days ago, I think on Monday, I was discussing this fair value gap here and how we had raided this high, and I was expecting downside to possibly either target this fair value gap or go bearish towards the daily fair value gap down here. I don't know why it's moved there for some reason. The daily fair value gap here and this order block. Okay, on the H4 you can see we were also discussing this fair value gap here that was on the H4. If you go back to Monday's log, you'll see that highlighted, and you can see how price pretty much respected this area quite well. You know, it was a decent move that we recalled. As you can see, a lot of the times you'll get the wicks that do pass through the area, but look how the body's closed right at almost 50% on that fair value gap, or just below it. That's what you want to pay attention to. You want to pay attention to the body closures as to determine whether it does respect your level or not. The body closures are very important, and you can see we closed here quite well. Going down to the H1, the H1 closed above, but on the H4 it closed below, and we traded down from there towards the fair value gap that was on the H12 here. Now today's price action, as you can see, I had a limit set just here after we had taken out that fair value gap, which was on the H12 time frame, as you can see, and we broke structure bullish. Let me just put the session indicators on. We broke structure bullish, but we didn't get that retracement back down to go back up to attack this high. So our limit just got swerved by probably it's like around 10 pips, roughly the 14 pips. So it's just one of those things, but the analysis was there anyway to coincide with our entry. Okay, now going into tomorrow, as you can see, we have a daily raid here, and then remove this and then remove that, and what we can expect is this H12 level here to get traded to, or day level here get traded to. As you can see, we have a H1 MSB, which was quite clean. So I am expecting these downside targets here, and here to be hit. So we are looking at possibly bearish USD for the meantime. I have this order block up here as a possible target as an entry point. So we could expect something like this to possibly occur, hit that level there, and then trade down to this liquidity and a fair value gap here on the daily time frame. But again, we just need to wait for our confirmation. We're going to London and New York tomorrow to actually get good confidence getting a sell from this level here. And as you can see, that level there is also where we're at the daily rate. Okay, and as you can see, the MSB, so yeah, quite clean. And we also have a fair value gap there as well. So you might want to set alert for this level here and then watch price as we trade in towards this level as well. Okay, but that is what I'm looking at for USD. But I'm definitely thinking we're gonna either tap this fair value gap or this order block. Just gotta wait for the entry to go in. Now finally, we have some clarity on Eurgbp. I haven't been trading this pair for the past few days purely because I was not sure what was going to happen, but as you can see, we have broken past this order block here and we've gone bearish. We have an MSB here of this level. Now what I am looking for is this fair value gap here to get targeted, possibly going down to H12. Going down to the H4 and possibly looking at either this order block to hold to go bearish, so a possible move up into it to go down into the daily fair value gap. Another move I'm also possibly watching is this fair value gap on the H12 here and this H12 order block. If this level here on the H4 fails, that H4 level is also this H1 order block here as well. If that level does fail, we can look for possible raid of this high into this fair value gap here on the H4, which is also H12 fair value gap, which also will probably cause the daily fair value gap as well to get traded to whilst taking out this high to then again go bearish. But on both pairs, I'm definitely looking for shorts into a daily premium level. Okay, That's all for today, guys. I think I was quite clear what I'm looking for on both pairs. Like and subscribe, almost at 80 subscribers, so let's try and hit that going before next week. And drop in the comment section what you'd like to see from me in the future. And yeah, guys, we'll talk again on Friday.